join the 28-hour SQL Server Masterclass on the Udemy platform for only $15 instead of $89. Learn how to become a future developer or either a future DBA or performance expert on SQL Server with 150 exercises. The link to the promotion is in the video description. Okay? Want to get started on SQL Server? Then join me.
Full outer join. Using these commands allows you to combine the result of both tables. It allows you to associate them with each other thanks to a condition, to file with null values if the condition is not respected. Concretely, the full join returns all the lines, and if there is no match, it shows a null. It even returns the matching rows, the matching lines. With the isNull filter on the full outer join, it will bring back all the rows of the table A and B, but it's important, not the data that match between them. It's like the left and the right join. If we put isNull, it doesn't bring back the matching values. Okay? So let's go together to the demonstration. Okay, so let's go for the full outer join demonstration. And now it's time to the full outer join with both select at the same time. We will take the ID client, ID customer, and we will put a full outer join on the customer table and run the both select at the same time to see what it gives. So run this query, and so what's happened? For the full outer join, just here. So I brought all the rows from 9 to 4, from 1 to 9, just here. Let's make a zoom. 1, 2, 9. From the orders table plus the 2 rows from the customer table, just here, for the 12 and 13 rows. Okay? So we have 11 rows for the full outer join request query. So we can see that it brought all the corresponding rows, the 1, the 3, the 5, and so on. On the other hand, there are 2 null, because the 12 and the 13 are not corresponding, so it gives us the null value as I explained earlier. Okay, so it brings back all the rows, and the ones that don't match are shown with the null, but it still bring back the name. Okay, so it matches that in this diagram. So it broke back all the lines from both tables plus the matching value between the 2 tables. Okay, and what it have changed the column, I put in the place of ID customer here, B ID customer here, B ID customer. Okay, I play the query with the 2 select, and what does the select give? Just it broke back all the lines 1, 3, 5, 12, and 13 plus many null. Okay? So it put back for 1 here, 3, 5, and 12 and 13. So he book back the 1, 2, 3 from the command table, but not 2, 4, 6. There are no values, so it shows a null. Okay? So we are going to filter on the is null. Okay, you can see that here that all the rows on the client table, okay, the customer table, sorry, we see that 5 null corresponding to the order table 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. Okay? So that you understand better, I'm going to do a select with the tool select and the full autogen with the ID customer is null. Okay? So let's run this query. And the full outer join, brought back the 2 lines, 12 and 13, that are not in the orders table. Okay? Is on the customer table, but not in the order table. With the filter is null. So in the schematic, that's what it looks like. Here it brought back all the rows from A and B, but it didn't bring back the ones that don't match between those two tables. So it's normal that is brought back just the 12 and 13 that don't match that table. So a full autogen is very useful when you want to see all the rows that don't match each other. Okay? Is the outer optional? I put full join, and you can see that it's completely optional. Okay? If you run this query, you have the same result, 12 and 13. Okay? That was the demonstration on the full autogen. You can see that it's very powerful. Okay, let's go for the next demonstration.